Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today we'll be going to talk about how to query Salesforce Agentforce agents using SOQL, and this will be very quick tutorial. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So you can see I am in Agentforce Studio console and we have two agents created, and these agent types are employee agent. For example, if we want to query all the available agent in our Salesforce instance, then we can just simply use a SOQL query on bot definition object. So in Salesforce Agentforce, agents are built on the underlying architecture of Einstein bots. Because of this, you use the standard objects bot definition or bot version when querying agent configuration using SOQL. So I'll be going to use the Salesforce Inspector Reloaded extension, and on clicking on their extension, I just simply click on data export, and we can see we just need to query the agents using the simple SOQL. Select ID, um, select ID from bot definition, and we just need to query few other fields as well. For example, we are going to query developer name, then type, then agent type, then simple type as well. And let me just click on run export, and we are seeing the type developer name it is showing, and we can see the agent ID as well. Then agent type, this is Agentforce employee agent, both of them are employee agent, and the type of the agent is internal copilot, right? So this is how we can just simply query our agents using the SOQL on the bot definition object. To get a list of your agents, their unique IDs which start with the prefix 0xx, right? And their developer names, you just need to use the bot definition object, right? Now we have another object to get the specific versions of our agent. So if your agent has gone through interactions, or you need to fetch specific version which start with the prefix 0x9, so you can see for this SOQL ID, means for this agent ID, it's getting started with 0 capital X then small x. But for when we'll be querying the bot definition object, for bot version object, then those IDs will be version IDs will be start with 0x9. Let me just show you. We are going to use the select ID from bot version, and let me just provide the other few fields as well, like for example bot definition ID, then developer name, then version number, and the status as well, right? And let me just click on run export, and we can see that the bot definition, the ID is getting started with 0x9, but the agent ID, the bot definition ID, we can see it is starting with 0x9, right? So xx 0xx, right? So this is basically the agent ID, and this is the bot version ID, right? And we can see the developer name as well, and we can see the version number as well, right? So which version it is being currently activated or not, and which versions are currently inactive, right? So we can see these many details using these bot version and bot definition objects, right? So that's all for today's demo. Please stay tuned, and if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll be uploading more tutorials on Salesforce Omni Studio, Data Cloud, as well as Agentforce topics. So please stay tuned, and if you like this video, please consider to take membership into my channel. That will motivate me to create more tutorials for you. So that's for all, and thanks for watching.